Let's look at some general truths about standardized tests. Especially on critical reading tests, the most crucial aspect of taking the test is to learn to read to eliminate answer choices. Because on standardized tests, especially in the reading, but also in other sections, they don't necessarily want the right answer, they want the best answer. And using the term best answer allows them some latitude. They can give you 4 bad choices, where you look down there and go, none of these are any good. You'd be right, none of them are. But one would be better than the others. The flip side is they'll give you 2 correct answers. So you need to read to eliminate answer choices. You need to look down there and find the one word, the one phrase, the one element that allows you to choose one answer choice over another. And on standardized tests, you want to use information from the answer choices to help you find the answer. Look and see if one is different from the others. For instance, one may be positive, the other's negative. Look for something that's emphatic, strong, harsh. Those you can usually rule out. These are dull, boring passages. So the answer choices will be dull and boring. Look for qualifiers. Test makers love qualifiers like somewhat or slightly. This allows them to put a qualifier on a fairly extreme statement and have it pass off as being correct. You can improve your time and hence your score on standardized tests if you bubble in the answers right. We're used to doing it where we solve the question, find the answer, fill in the bubble, repeat with the next answer choice. There's a better way to do it. First, solve all the questions on the page. Then fill in that block of answer choices. Then repeat it with the next page, and so on and so forth. Now, if you get really good with the time, the most efficient way would be to answer the entire section on the papers and then fill in all the answers for the entire section. This is very efficient. As of now, I'm not sure there are any tests that have a guessing penalty. But the ones that we're worried about, the PSAT, SAT, and SAT, do not have a guessing penalty. So you want to answer all your questions. But don't just guess. We'll show you a strategy. There are 2 types of situations that you may encounter when you're guessing. If there's a time problem, hello ACT, look for the answer choice that's due. Look on the answer sheet and see which answer position hasn't come up in a while, which one is in effect due, and then choose that answer choice straight down. If there is not a time problem and you're still guessing, the first step is to eliminate anything that looks too perfect. They look like baked questions. And eliminate any that look too bad or too extreme. The answer choices just don't look like they would fit the problem.